The wonders of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on a journey to explore some of the most incredible places on Earth, the wonders of the world. These breathtaking sights are a testament to human unity and the beauty of nature. My name is Maria Fernanda Castro Pacasira. Welcome. The Great Wall of China. Our journey begins in China, home to the Great Wall. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this ancient marvel was built to protect civilizations and stand as a symbol of perseverance and strength. Imagine the countless hands that shaped this incredible structure over centuries. Machu Picchu. Next, we travel to Peru, where Machu Picchu rests high in the Andes Mountains. This lost city of the Incas, hidden in the clouds, showcases advanced engineering and the mysterious brilliance of an ancient civilization. Its beauty leaves visitors in awe. The Colosseum. Now let's step into history in Rome, where the Colosseum stands as a symbol of the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Once a place for gladiator battles and grand spectacles, this architectural masterpiece still echoes a story of the past. The Taj Mahal. In India, we find the Taj Mahal, a breathtaking monument of love, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife. This white marble wonder reflects the beauty of eternal devotion. Christ the Redeemer. Overlooking Rio de Janeiro, the statue of Christ the Redeemer welcomes all with open arms. Standing 98 feet tall, this iconic symbol of peace and faith watches over the vibrant city below. Petra. Finally, we arrive in Jordan, where the ancient city of Petra is carved into the rose-red cliffs. Known as the Rose City, Petra was a thriving trade center and remains a breathtaking historical treasure. These wonders reminds us of the creativity, dedication, and beauty that exists in our world. Wherever built by human hands or shaped by nature, they inspire us to explore, appreciate, and preserve the marvels of our planet. Thank you.